Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at OnCall Health, a virtual care platform found at oncallhealth.ca. This platform facilitates online healthcare delivery, connecting patients with various healthcare providers through a secure and user-friendly interface. From booking appointments to conducting video consultations and managing patient data, OnCall Health aims to streamline the entire virtual healthcare process. It's designed to empower both patients and practitioners to embrace the convenience and efficiency of online healthcare. OnCall Health offers a range of features to support virtual care. These include secure video conferencing, appointment scheduling and reminders, integrated billing and payment processing, and a secure messaging system for patient-provider communication. The platform also offers features for managing patient files and documents, ensuring seamless access to vital information. Furthermore, OnCall Health emphasizes privacy and security, adhering to stringent regulations to protect sensitive patient data. For patients, OnCall Health provides a convenient way to access healthcare services from the comfort of their homes. It simplifies the process of finding and connecting with healthcare providers, scheduling appointments, and receiving care. For practitioners, the platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage their virtual practice effectively. This includes features for managing appointments, billing, patient communication, and more. The goal is to create a seamless and efficient workflow for delivering online care. OnCall Health is striving to be a comprehensive solution for the evolving landscape of digital health. They provide a centralized platform for conducting virtual consultations, managing patient information, and streamlining administrative tasks. This can be particularly beneficial for practitioners who are transitioning to a virtual practice or looking to enhance their existing online services. By leveraging technology, OnCall Health seeks to improve access to care, reduce administrative burdens, and ultimately contribute to a better healthcare experience for both patients and providers. It aims to empower the delivery of quality virtual care through its secure, user-friendly platform and comprehensive feature set.